Hello, today we're going to talk about the difference between eBay and Amazon, and one of them, spoiler alert, wants to keep you down. Hello, Dale Majors here, and welcome to Venture Anyway. If you're new to the channel and want to be better tomorrow than you are today, then you want to subscribe and follow along. Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between eBay and Amazon, and I've got several differences that we're going to discuss that will help you identify how you want to incorporate either of them into your business. All right, first one is one of them costs about 10% to sell on their platform, and the other one is about 15%. As a general rule, different categories are a little different. So 10% may seem like a small number, but if you've watched some of the other videos that I've done about e-commerce, a lot of companies don't make 10% profit. So 10%, a lot of times eBay and Amazon are making a whole lot more. In general, Amazon's making more than the retailers that are selling on it. So Amazon is the one that charges 15%. So Amazon, 15% of all sales they're being paid to Amazon. All right, two is Amazon has FBA. Amazon FBA is the program where they ship your products for you. You send them into their warehouse, and they do all of the customer service, all the warehousing, all the shipping, and all the returns. So it's a very easy way to do it. But once your inventory is in their warehouse, then they're kind of in control with it. But there also is a program where you can send eBay orders from Amazon. But for example, Walmart is very similar to Amazon in that they have a marketplace as well. And Walmart will not allow you to ship their Walmart orders from the Amazon warehouse. And eBay doesn't have FBA. You'd have to just use an old-fashioned fulfillment center, and which you can do, but there are costs involved and it may not be as affordable as FBA. Okay, did you know that Amazon competes against you where eBay doesn't? eBay is not a retailer, where Amazon first and foremost is a retailer. Have you ever seen a product by Amazon Basics? For example, I have a really nice kind of nerdy computer backpack called the OGO Renegade. OGO, Utah company, good stuff. OGO Renegade, a really nice backpack, it's $120. Amazon Basics has a $30 version. It's not near as high quality, but anything that sells a lot, Amazon Basics will go in and do that. So if you're a retailer that creates a really popular product, one thing that you need to worry about is Amazon coming into your category. All right, the fourth difference between eBay and Amazon is Amazon does not allow you to do any of your own branding on the platform. You can have a store where you tell a little bit about yourself, but in general, when people shop on Amazon, they think they're buying from Amazon. Where on eBay, you still have a little freedom to tell about your product and to brand yourself a little more, though eBay is also slowly taking that away. All right, another difference is Amazon has a monthly fee. So in order to be able to sell on Amazon, you have to have a professional account, and that's like $30 a month. So whereas for eBay, you can just have a seller account and sell on the platform whenever. So there's a difference there as well. All right, and the last difference, and I think this is the main difference between eBay and Amazon, is I want you to imagine that you are at a flea market and somebody's selling sombreros, okay? In most flea markets, you could buy sombreros from multiple different vendors or tables, right? Or maybe a more popular item, but go with me with the sombrero thing. You could buy a sombrero from the small green table or the big red tent or any of these people. You could choose where you wanted to buy the sombrero. That's like eBay, where Amazon they have their own product catalog. So there's only one place where you can go and buy a certain sombrero. And all of the people that happen to have that sombrero at the flea market would have to stand behind one table, and whoever's willing to sell it for the least is going to be at the front person selling it. And if that person runs out of their lower priced one, then the next person behind them would start selling it. So that's the difference. On Amazon, you have to sell on you're selling in a catalog. So you go onto a product page and you're going to be one of 10 or one of 20 or one of 100 different sellers on the page, where eBay, while they have the catalog in some categories, in a lot of categories they don't have it. So you can still differentiate yourself by having a different title or a different description or things like that. So two very different philosophies on retail, though eBay is slowly drifting more and more to become like Amazon. So there you go. When you're deciding how to use eBay or Amazon in your business, those are things you can consider because they're very different platforms. You don't have to choose just one or the other. And honestly, a lot of people don't even give eBay a glance anymore, where 7 years ago it was the main show in town, 10 years ago the main show in town. But each platform has their different benefits, and you can use them in your side hustle or in your business accordingly, but just it's good to know the differences. So anyways, there you go. If you have any questions about eBay or Amazon, let me know. I've sold millions of dollars on Amazon. I've sold tens of millions of dollars on eBay, and I know quite a bit about the platform. I love the platform, yeah, so check it out, let me know, and I'll see you on the next video.